So here at the Wix editor, you want to find the specific place to put the PDF viewer. So for example, I'm going to put right here. Just click on Add Section. And then after that, you want to look to your left side of your screen. And then click right here on Add Apps, which will open the Wix App Market. Here on the search bar, you want to search for PDF viewer. And then on the PDF viewer with this logo, just click on it. And then just click on Add to Site. And then wait for a bit. And there you go. The PDF viewer is there. After that, you can just upload your own PDF that you want to put right here on the viewer. Just click on Upload PDF. And then click on Add File. So to upload the PDF from your computer or laptop, just click on Upload Media right here. And then choose the PDF that you want to upload. After that, on the specific PDF, just click on that. And then hit Add to Page at the bottom right of your screen. And then wait for a bit. And you are good to go. So on the PDF viewer, you can actually drag it all around your website. And also make it bigger or smaller by clicking right here to adjust the PDF size. And there you go. After that, you can just click on Settings right here. On Settings, you can customize which of the page will be displayed first. So if you want to make it on 3, for example, and wait for a bit. And then the third page of the PDF will be showing first. And then you can also customize the preset by clicking right here on Change Preset. And then you can choose whether you want to make the PDF viewer inline, on the size container, or full window, text button, classic button, and also document button. But I will choose to inline right here so people can see it better. And then you can also customize the layout and design on the specific preset right here. Or if you want to make it in a full window, just click on Stretch right here. And then hit on Stretch to full width. There you go. And then to see what your website visitor seen on your PDF viewer, just click on Preview right here. On the preview, if they scroll down, and they will see the PDF viewer that we just customized before. And there you go. If you still have any question about Wix, just comment down below and I will try my best to help and assist you guys. And that's how to add PDF viewer on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.